So these are the two options depending on the question that you're given that you're going to use. So with questions where you need to work out the outstanding balance on a loan, there will always be two options. The first one is when you know how many months are left for you to pay off the loan. If you know the number of payments left, then this will be a slightly simpler question, in the sense that to work out your outstanding balance on your loan, you will basically just need to use your present value annuities formula. The only issue is, this is the formula you will need to use. Technically, it's almost like your present value annuities formula, but then where P is, you just want to put their balance. N will be the number of months that are left for you to pay off the loan. I will be your interest. X will be your monthly installments. And then if you throw all those values into your formula, you will be working out the balance on your loan. Option 2, you will use it if you know the number of payments that have already been made. Now, for a situation like that, your balance will always be A minus F. A will be your regular compound interest formula. F will be your future value annuities formula. So in a situation where you'll be working out the outstanding balance of a loan, N, we said it will be the number of payments that have already been made, and N in these two formulas will be the same number. P will be your initial loan amount. X will be your monthly installment, and then I will just be your interest. And again, the I here will be the same as the I there. So in essence, when you get the balance on the loan, it's going to be this value there minus that value down there. So this is essentially what your whole sum will look like when you need to work out the balance of a loan, when you already know the amount of times that payments have been made. So these are the two options depending on the question that you're given that you're going to use.